Getting crafty for a great cause. The Bluffton Middle School Beta Club is taking part in a service project focusing on helping out some furry friends. The students are busy at work, turning old t-shirts and other clothing into animal toys to donate to dogs and cats at local pet shelters.
We cut up strips of the clothes and then we just start tie a knot and then braid and then tie a knot again.
It's just fun because there's so much cool stuff to learn about braiding. There's so many different ways to do it. And you can mix different colors and use different quantities, and it's just really creative.
This is the second year the club has done the project, and they're excited to be helping out animals in need.
It makes me feel really good because at the end of the project, we know that we have helped a dog out there that may not have a toy or may not have something that another dog has in a home. So it makes me feel really good.
Throughout the school year, the Beta Club participates in several service projects that give back to the community.
Being in Beta Club, that's what we're all about. We're about giving back to our community, and our community helps us when we need it, so we can pitch in and help them when they need it.
This club gets me more connected with the community, and it's very inspiring to meet so many new people that are involved in the projects that we do. And it's important to give back to the community because they give to us so much.
All the newly created animal toys will be given to the Palmetto Animal League at Bluffton Middle School, Run Lopes, Beaufort County School District.